Yo, one vlog where we start off the one with energy. Vibes and energy this morning, you see me? We there do it for vlog. Sorry for that, me that watch what going over there. So we there do it for vlog. We have Ricky in the building.
Yo.
What's the boss here? I know Ricky look like a Floridian.
A Yankee though, you see?
Yeah, I know you are a Yankee within Jed. Long time we don't know see Ricky in the building. We do over here, Slime do over here too. But I'm there on the phone. I'm not Tesla, charge up in Tesla, you see me? My car there, so Ricky did this. So we there only, and I did for vlog. We are jailbreak on phone for Ricky, so Ricky can get the experience. I drive with one of them phones in a car.
We can watch Trabass on YouTube.
And I listen to music. Because he can work in this, you know.
No, this is a rental. I thought your next car.
No, but I tell you, he can work in this. Any car with the airplane can work.
Yeah.
So I'm mad thing. We still sell them things on the market to phone, no? So you can just buy them from we, plug them up on the car and it go work. We there do it for vlog and Ricky, what you have to say about me dating a bunch of girls? You think something wrong with that?
He's a whore. You need for
Me want to work with you. Me want to work with you. Me want to work with you, no? Me want to work with you. I like Mattel.
Hey, cool
No.
slides, dog.
Oh, right, video me.
Show them, dog.
Alright, so today I say me I go for one 90s look. You see me? Mesh Marina, the pants and the slippers, you don't know. You see me? Should have a back like Guinness right now. Might be told them not do that. Today I'm with Candy. She's gonna do my nails. Jesus Christ.
I don't know how to mute it right now.
Lock it off real quick. So, Jesus Christ. What how we ever start out this? Alright, so we try again. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, right? I'm fucked up, but...
Okay, I'll do that.
No, come on, Candy, come on. We can't wait. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, sit now with that camera. Someone who know, Candy have her own nail business, as you can see. Tell them your Instagram for the nail business so them can check out some of your work. I'm gonna put one of the little video them where you make in other vlog here. You see me? You can follow her on our business page. You already, someone will follow her on our main page. Them are going in the description. You see me? And our, why you look at me so?
Your nails look trash right
I
now.
know, it's been a minute. It's been a minute since I did them, you know?
It's dry.
Yeah, so I came to the right person to fix them for me. You see me? I have midget finger. You see me? So, Candy I go work our magic. And I probably go live. I go live and make people see. Say you do nails. Because enough people probably don't know say you do nails.
These motherfuckers know.
Yeah, and your shit be fire.
Really?
Period, bitch. We not go cook today, but Candy I go do my nails. When I come in here, she ask me about what kind of style I want. Like she want to style me thing.
A big eye, what you want?
Put one little bow.
Tea?
Jesus, me and Jerry man want water. Shit. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Candy just done my nails. They're so cute. Excuse my midget fingers, don't mind them. Today, which one of your man sweater your teeth?
It's mine.
Okay.
It's a red jacket.
It's a red jacket? Nike?
Yeah, you understand. It's the only jacket I use to work in.
When you cold and stuff. What the fuck?
It's acrylic.
Should I go get drunk tonight? I gotta go because I got multiple stuff I gotta do today. If you don't want to do nails done now in Florida, you do calls? You do calls?
Do appointments?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, she don't
I
do.
do house calls.
That's it. That's what I'm talking.
You said, do I do calls?
No, like if them call and pull up on you. So.
No, I don't do house calls.
Okay, she don't do house calls. She do appointments. So you guys can link her, you know? I'm about to leave. You going downstairs? We're in hell, guys.
Oh, you by yourself.
This is Candy bathroom. Yes, it's freaky.
I don't know.
You want Mexican food? Go candy bar.
Oh, there she goes.
I drive it for you vlog. Go take 2 liters I giant.
This outfit is adorable.
Vlog world. So we're back from Candy after I get my nails done. I'm back home. Guess who is here with me?
You got your
This
nails
demon Duppy with the forehead. Yeah, I got my nails done, you know.
I like this.
Yeah, I be doing my nails. I know the first year I see this. Regular do my nails. No bother with it. But today me and Deli they actually. Deli come give me a link and she bring food. You see me?
I didn't bring food for you.
No, she not bring
I
food
brought
for me.
food for myself.
Fuck with that
Last time
child.
when I come here, sir, you never buy me nothing.
Let me slap you by your forehead. Oh, you're so wicked little girl. May I give you a piece of my chicken? Jesus, Deli, come here. Oh, you're up on your forehead.
I like this. Stop! What the fuck is wrong with you?
Don't go in my plate.
Andrew,
Miss people on it, you know.
this is my water, so I don't know why you're looking over here to ask if you have a beverage. No, you
You're
don't.
great. You're great. Me have case of water. Me out there, you know. Hey, y'all not gonna stop it here. You're gonna buy Chinese.
This is Spanish food.
Go buy Spanish food.
Bombo Breda. Breda.
You go buy Spanish.
Breda.
Yo,
Move your belly from the table.
Could I go in the kitchen go eat, but I want to leave it there now. Me have a kitchen. Me just like that space. But you are going there.
Can you not knock over my plate, please? Because you're moving real, and this is not even balanced.
So, guys, we're going to do.
Why your breath smell like that?
Nobody around with me. So you're bright, but mud stink. Come back to real life now. Back to your video. So, vlog world, today me and Deli are going to. Stop firing. Jesus Christ. Like your fire that make me hot.
Okay.
Your fire that make me hot. So, vlog world today, me and Deli going to do a Caribbean mukbang.
Mine's not Caribbean food.
And a Caribbean food shall eat. No,
But it's like chicken and rice.
It have nothing to do with the food. That's what we are talking about.
Oh, it's a carrot.
Deli was born here. She was born in Jamaica, you see me? So, we can't do a Jamaican. One of your most. So, vlog we're back again. My phone did full. I want to record with that Samsung line, you know. I want to catch a 2 video.
This is a Samsung?
Pixel.
You use Samsung?
No, sir.
I'm about to be like cheap.
I just
You're
trying
so
to.
cheap.
You're bright here. Let's move on. But vlog girl, I'm gonna shoot my movie with you in a daily free. For no joke aside.
You know how long you've been telling me that?
You want to do something right now, like a 5-minute short film, or you basically I cuss out me on the phone, say you're gonna do it, you can't bother, you're gonna kill yourself. We can make it dramatic. This is a record. Your head extra large, mine medium rare. I want something to put this one. Your head extra large, mine just medium rare. No, look for me, sir. It looks like green lizard. Say something with me now. Alright, so vlog girl, we're there here. No, but for real, you want to do this something with me I talk about? Look a short film.
Only way I'm doing that is if you give me more of this.
Oops.
Do not put pepper on that side.
Oops. Yeah, baby! I'm winding this up! You want to do that? I can't shit in a water.
No, because I'm hungry.
Shit, I'll buy it, man.
No.
Oh, poop, now is that?
No, I'm hungry.
Alright, so vlog girl. No, but for no joke aside, did I do
I nobody put no echo in that damn video I talk about my belly I grow because it now grow loud.
Okay. Did I do the movie though? It's the look at concept of my about.
Right now?
After we done it. Can we wait till it?
Sure. As long as it's 5 minutes.
Probably longer. I make you do it. I probably do it like you come in, pissed off, stressed out, throw on your back on the gun, sit down on the bed, hold your head. Like you don't know what to do. Go in there, dry, take out your gun, sit down on the bed.
Take out my gun?
Yeah. Because I want to do it like over a nigga make
I know you are not touching me with your little dirty hands.
If you get million years, just do.
Yeah, but your hand dirty!
So vlog world, guess what me and Deli just do?
This is my channel from now on.
No follow. Me and her just shoot one little short film. When you can look out for it. We're about to drop it in the mirror. We just shoot one little short film. Probably I try to dry it out as long as possible.
Next time you guys see me, I'm gonna have a boob job.
You need it. Come, let me carry guy here. But tell him say I cut. Alright, so Deli I cut. You're going to vlog like this.
I'm leaving.
Thanks for watching this vlog.
Follow Deli Fever TV.
Other my things. Stay tuned for our little short film. Babe, I'm going to sort out all of this.
I need a break. You don't even care, you don't care about me, you don't care about this baby.
You're pregnant?
Telling you to let go of this bitch and you're not fucking listening.
Me I go deal with it. Me I deal with it. Me I go call him. Me I go over here and sort out the whole of this. Babe? Don't fix it.
Father Depot.
Father.
Fully.
You catch it at a lie?
Outside a lie.
Which a lie?
Bumbo class.
Me couldn't forget the night when me get in on my life. Best pussy when me ever fall. God damn it, it's so tight.